his entire ear. There's like 50 ticks in his ears. Buddy. What's up with your paw? Look at his paws. Fleas everywhere.
So Allie and I were just cruising down this road on a day where we were just running errands, and we ran into this little guy. Just kind of want to show you what's going on. There's the rescue rig. The general area where we found him. He was laying just right here, sunbathing on a beautiful day. He looks pretty messed up, huh?
Oh, he's so skinny. Looks like he has a broken arm or something.
But he looks real cozy in your arms.
Yeah.
Come on, little guy.
Are you cozy? Oh my god.
You take a course, no one ever touches me. No one ever wants to touch me.